Well, hello there. In today's video, I'm just going to have a quick look at this. It's a Victorinox toothpick microbit holder, which allows you to carry the Leatherman micro screwdriver, which on one end has a tiny slotted screwdriver and on the other end has a tiny Phillips screwdriver, and these can be dead useful for things like for fixing your glasses screws, or for undoing zip ties, or for prizing tiny bits of electronics off and stuff like that, or really teeny tiny screws you sometimes get on little electronics and things. These can come in quite useful, and on your normal Victorinoxes there's no way to carry one of these. Obviously it's a Leatherman tool designed to be carried and used on certain Leathermans, and obviously on some Swiss Army knives you can put the micro screwdrivers into the corkscrew there, but I wanted to carry one of these with my 58mm Victorinox knives, so I bought one of these from Etsy. This was from seller Jordan Engineering, and it cost me £4.04 shipped to me here within the UK. Don't know what his shipping policies abroad are. And you can buy a pack of like 3 of these microbit drivers from Amazon UK for about around £5. He does them in 58mm and 91mm sizes, and this allows me to carry one of these on any 58mm Swiss Army knife that has slots for the scale tools. And this is made out of PLA, I'm assuming, and I suppose you still could use this as a toothpick. This end here, it's not going to be as flexible and fine as the Victorinox toothpick. Yeah, these are going to get into your teeth better than this will if you want to use it to pick your teeth. But yeah, you can still use it as that. And the little driver just drops into there, into that little slot. And just sits in there. And what we got is a little jet setter here. Let's just whip that toothpick out of there. Slide it into the toothpick slot there. There it is. It's sitting away until such time as it's needed. Okay, you can see a bit of damage there. You can see from this back layer that it's really thin and slim, so this is going to be quite fragile, and apparently it is. But that will still work for the time being, and once it's stored away in your 58mm sack, it's not something I wouldn't have thought that you're going to use very often, so as long as you're not pulling it in and out of there too much, hopefully that will hold up over more uses than that. I certainly do not want to say anything bad against Jordan Engineering. I think it's brilliant that people are producing this sort of thing with their 3D printers. That's great. But yeah, that's has taken a little bit of damage just by drawing it out there. So just to be aware of that, I guess, because this bit's very thin. But it has to be, doesn't it, for the driver to sit in there in this thin and to slide in that tiny slot. It's got to be very thin. That's the only way it can possibly work. So just be aware of that. And there are other people selling these on Etsy. You can get one from Iron Leaf Customs, but they're £10 to be shipped within the UK. That's quite dear, isn't it, for a tiny piece of PLA? These are much more reasonable at £4. And the original Todd Parker design in the USA, I'd looked at getting some of those shipped over, and they were working out far too expensive once I'd paid shipping. So this was the cheapest option I could find for having the microbit driver in a toothpick slot. So there you go, just a quick look at that one. What do you reckon, chaps? Great, I think that there's options out there for carrying extra tools to increase the utility of your 58mm Swiss Army knives.